I can't be the only person with a notes app full of website ideas. The problem is actually building them. Because unless you know how to code, turning an idea into an actual real website is usually where the process ends. Or at least it used to. Because now you can build a website by literally describing what you want, and you can even monetize it. But if you're sitting there thinking, cool, what would I even build? Let's start there. Before I build anything, I kind of wanted to go and see what people are looking for, what kind of tools people wish existed. And honestly, people have a lot of ideas, from meal planners and focus timers to habit trackers and budgeting tools. And I have an idea I wanted to make already. I love affirmations. I save them on Pinterest. I add them to my vision boards. I add them to my planner. But sometimes I don't want to actually open up a social media platform to find an affirmation idea. I wish I could just generate them for myself when my brain is not just like giving them to me. So what I want to build is an affirmation generator. I've always wanted a place to generate personalized affirmations based on the goal I'm currently working towards, so let's see if we can build it. This video is sponsored by Hosting Horizons, so I'll have it linked if you want to try it too. Getting started is really simple. Just choose the plan that works best for you, select 12 months, and use the code CHEAPYOURNOSES for a discount. So instead of learning how to code or piecing together a bunch of different tools, I'm just going to describe what I want this website to be. So I want an affirmation generator. Users can enter a goal that they're working on, maybe building confidence, growing a business, or improving their health, whatever it is. And then the website generates affirmations based on that goal. I'm going to put up the prompt that I'm starting with right here. I'm going to say, create a website called Daily Affirmation Generator. Users enter a goal or challenge they're currently working through, generate personalized affirmations based on their input, make the design calming, clean, and mobile friendly, include a button to generate more affirmations. And now we wait, which honestly is one of the coolest parts because you can actually see it building the website in real time. Now, once it's done, there may be things that you want to tweak. And this is one of the reasons I absolutely love this service. They have a feature that's my personal favorite called Ask Cody. Without this, if I wanted to make changes, I would be searching a bunch of different tutorials trying to figure out what I broke or how to adjust something, but now I can simply just ask a question. For example, add a favorite section, create a daily affirmation section, make it in pastel colors, or add a streak tracker under my daily affirmations, and it updates everything for me. Cody can even help you improve your prompts so you're getting better results. And it can work in the background while you're working on other things, and it notifies you with this fun sound when your changes are ready to see. Honestly, the whole process is surprisingly fun and easy. Now, the question you might have is, could something like this actually make money? And the answer is surprisingly yes. Some of the most popular websites on the internet are actually surprisingly simple. These, for example, aren't overly complicated websites. They're just useful. So I installed an extension to see just how much traffic some of these websites are getting. And some of these numbers are honestly wild. So let's take one of those traffic numbers and put it into an AdSense calculator. Now, obviously these are just estimates, but that is a pretty significant amount of revenue for a very simple website. With Hosting Horizons, you can connect to Google AdSense directly, so you can monetize really, really easily. The setup process is really straightforward. You create your AdSense account, connect your website, and then just copy the code AdSense gives you and ask Horizons to add it to your project. So much easier than I thought it would be, to be honest. And they also now support subscription-based monetization. So depending on what you're building, you can make money with ads or subscriptions or both. For example, with my affirmation generator idea, I could have a free version and make money via AdSense. And then I could have a paid subscription tier and add extra features to it. So maybe if I want to add a saved collections or favorites, or, just other options in general, printables, the sky is the limit. Publishing is just as easy. You can connect your own custom domain and launch everything from the same platform, which means in really not a lot of time, this thing that was just an idea in my notes app is now a very real website. Now, I don't think AI magically makes every idea successful. You still need to have an idea that people actually want to use. But what I do think is interesting is that the barrier between having an idea and actually making it come to life is smaller than it's ever been before. Which means if you're someone who has a bunch of ideas but never knows how to execute on them, now is a very interesting time for you. I'm going to leave a link to the affirmation generator that I just made down below if you want to check it out. And if you end up building something for yourself, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!